All right. Good morning, everybody. Another day in this week, and futures are flat. It went down and now did some recovery. So let's see what's going on. Making a new high right now of the pre-market. Um, as you can see, a lot of names, a lot of them. 4-hour MACD is dead cross, which is not a good sign, which means a slowdown on the run up, but on RSI is in the overbought zone. So I still believe there could be a healthy pullback, then go run up again. But yesterday was interesting. It was trying to do a pullback. Then end of the day, we got a strong dip buy into the close. So it's possible same thing happened today. Maybe with some jump today at the morning because right now pre-market 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is about to golden cross, close to golden cross. If you get a jump up at open, um, it can't jump up. Good morning, Jose. And then we'll see if it's gonna be a continued jump up or it's gonna be fail and consolidate and go down and up again. Tomorrow we have Powell at, let me just double check that. Tomorrow Powell, yeah, tomorrow Powell speaks at 9:15 a.m. before market opens. So that's the most key important thing. If you do see a run up into the close like yesterday, that means market is optimistic about Powell talking. So maybe run up, then gap up, then Powell talks and jump up again. So that's a possible scenario too. There is a high chance SPX 4400 comes this week. My next target on ES is 4426.75, and we are very bullish on daily and week. Just the only problem is right now 4 hours dead cross. We need to get a 1 hour golden cross. Once that happens and we jumps up and we jump up, then 4 hour can maybe goes for another golden cross. Um, yeah, so if you see a lot of names 1 hour MACD golden crosses, that means direction is up. But for now, pre-market ES 5:15:30 is upward. I expect tomorrow today be choppy and roller coaster again, but we'll see what happens after open. The NQ pre-market direction 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is already golden cross. And we need to break the high. We already I think broke. So we have it's just creating a bull flag as you can see here on the 4 hour and 1 hour. You can see it's creating a bull flag. Once we get a strong breakout, then it can go for a bigger run up to the 15461.98 level. 4 hour again, this one is dead cross, but RSI is still in the overbought zone, and we have to see. I mean, as I mentioned last few days, the 4 hour dead cross in this situation right now with this big run up that we had last week doesn't necessarily means like, oh, we're gonna get a big pullback now. No, because the daily is very bullish. These 4 hour dead crosses means a slowdown, creating a bull flag, and maybe some small pullback. Then later on goes up bigger again. It's yeah, I mean it's tempting to play put when you see a pullback, but just keep in mind when the trend is up in general, puts do not pay that much, and there is a higher reward playing on a bounce up on calls. Just keep that in mind. Um, I still don't have yellow bar on the NQ. Need to see that one for another monster run up in the market. Um, Dow Jones, we got a blue bar there. That's interesting there too. Bars is on the rise on the daily. RUT was very weak yesterday. As soon as it opened, it starts falling. Small caps did some reality check yesterday, but some of them already recovered. Right now is opening flat, and we still have very bearish on weekly. Even though we had a big jump up, we still TTM squeeze is still red, and MACD is not even curved up. It's just kind of flat. So that's something interesting to note. TNX is opening red today. That's what's helping market up and not too much. It's just kind of small red and flat. And that's actually interesting. 45.74. That's a key level you want to watch. If it goes below that one, and we can go to the lower level 44.6, 43.71 goes below 45.74, it can be very very bullish. And again, yesterday it closed above 46.68. Need to break that one. If it does that one, and then it cannot be good for market and another pullback for market. DXY is holding near 106 and 4 hours golden cross, still bearish, and daily weekly is curved down. We got dark blue bar, some mixed signal, probably is gonna hold up around 106. If it goes above It's already above 105.492. If it goes above 105, 105.985 is not gonna be good. Just keep an eye on DXY. If DXY jumps up, can give market pullback. BTC, BTC pre-market 4 hours downward. Daily we got the first dark blue bar. Weekly is bullish, so it's still in the bull flag. Apple was very strong yesterday. It's all about 179.51. If it does break that one, next target is 181.13, 183.2. 4 hours not even dead cross yet. We got the yellow bar on the weekly, so this one is still strong. It does have a chance to break 180 and go to 183.2 this week. Amazon 4 hour dead cross 2 days ago, but still you can see here it's creating a bull flag, and even it's a strong pre-market. It's very actually strong. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is everything is upward. Maybe what was the name of DDOG earning is helping it. Um, that's a possibility. So one right now 1 hour is golden cross. You want to pay attention to the 140, 152. Most likely will hit at the open, and if it does pass that one, next target is 143.12, 145.71, and 146 was the high of the season, I believe. 145.86. That was the high of the last season. So if it does pass that one, we're looking at 146.85, 148.3. If the 4 hour anytime this week or next week that golden crosses, because the daily is very bullish, and that weekly TTM we got yellow bar, MACD is curved up. If the 4 hour you see a golden cross, this can go crazy or higher. Nvidia almost opening flat. It's hard for it to break by 457. Need to break 456.96. Breaks that one, 461.09 can come. Above that, next targets are 462, 464, 466.35. 4 hours is not dead cross yet, but we got dark blue bars, so be cautious from here on Nvidia. There is some sign of a slowdown. Pre-market right now, 515 is up, 30 is about to golden cross, so possibly see some jump up coming, but I don't like that the 1 hour is still downward and the 4 hour is curved down. Possible to create a bull flag soon on there too. AVGO daily is bullish. 4 hour we got dark blue bars. Need to pass 884 to run up to 887 and 891. Baba, this Chinese name is just news driven. 4 hours dead cross, so 85, 84.45. If you can hold it, next support is 83.43. If it jumps up 85, 76, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 86, 86.19, 86.89, 87.59. I like that the daily is bullish. MACD is weekly MACD is curved up, but we're still TTM squeeze is still bearish there. Netflix is trying to go. I mean, but 4 hours right now is close to have a dead cross. Weekly is upward, daily is upward. There is mixed signal pre-market, so if you see a jump up past 434, next target is 437, 76. Above that, if market gets very bullish this week, end of the week, we're looking at 439, 443, and 446. Again, this one is establishing a range right now. Need a strong breakout 437 for bigger run up. Meta, this one is just yo-yo going up and down between 310 and 317. Need to pass 317.29 to run up to 320.04, 320.4 and 324.36. Pre-market 5:15:30 is upward. If 1 hour MACD you see golden cross, then it can jump up to a higher level. 4 hour dead cross, but right now it's kind of flat. And I like that the daily MACD is golden cross, so this one does have a chance. And 330 was the high of the season. If it passed 324.36 at any time this week or next week, 330 can come easily. Tesla, I love it that the daily MACD is golden cross, but at the same time, right now there's mixed signal. 4 hours dead cross, probably again same establishing a range. We don't have a yellow bar on the weekly, so gotta be cautious. But I still think there's gonna this soon, maybe next week or maybe I'm not sure this week, but maybe next week or sooner. Um, we'll see a multi-day green there. 219.26, that's a key level to watch today. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 220.94, 223.67, and 226.39. Need to have a strong pass 226.39 for going for multi-day run-up. Again, yesterday it pulled back 216.8, 214.86. Those were support. So if you see 15:30 MACD dead crosses, it's possible to go retest to 1486, and maybe surprised if it goes much lower. If market gets choppy and gives a midday pullback, 210, 207, 75 max can be tested. But in general, wait for the 1 hour MACD golden cross. If that confirms, then it can go for a bigger run up. Microsoft, 3 points higher, breaking 358.88 level. And right now, this is just a perfect bullish setup. Look right now. 5 is up, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 1 hour is already golden cross, 4 hours not even that cross, and is upward, is still RSI going higher, and daily MACD is actually RSI is entering the overbought zone. So once it gets there, it can go even crazier. Again, the high of the all-time high, I think, is 365 something, and we are just only a few points away from it. That's actually really interesting. So weekly MACD is golden cross, and 360 mental level. Watch that. Past that one, we're looking at 362.05, 365.29. Above 365, you can run up to 369, 375, 876. But as always, keep in mind, because it's getting close to the all-time high, there's always a possibility that some people maybe wants to lock profit and gives a sudden pullback. For now, looking very bullish, but as always, if you see 15:30 MACD dead crosses, can give a hard pullback. Um, but yeah, this is a perfect bullish setup right now. Google, 130.82, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 131.82. Above that, we are looking at going recovery. 131.82 is a key level to watch. If it passes that this week, we're looking at 132.71, 134, 135.59. This one, this every day is keep going, grinding higher. 4 hour is not even close to that cross. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward. And daily MACD is curved up, so it's going heading for recovery. It's possible before next season goes all the way back to 140. AMD, 112.21, that's a key level to watch past that one, we're looking at 112.98, 114.22, 115.47. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward, 1 hour is not golden cross yet, 4 hour is dead cross, so there's mixed signal. Need to get a 1 hour MACD golden cross for a valid run up, otherwise it can maybe pull back, then stay choppy and roller coaster in a tight range. Boeing was very weak yesterday, 4 hour dead cross, and it gives a pullback, was weak into the close, and right now it's all about 192.17. If we can't hold it, we can go back to 190.7. Below that, 187.77. Daily is bullish. We have blue bar on the TTM squeeze, and weekly we got red bar again, and MACD is not even curved up. So wait for the next 1 hour MACD golden cross. Once that happens, then it can go for another run up. SPY, SPY all about 435 and 436.45. Need to pass these two level to go for a next run up to 430. This is a major level, 436.45. Need to pass that strong to run up to the next level, which is 437.77, 439.9, 442.03. Again, it's possible, most likely today be choppy and roller coaster up and down, same like yesterday. But if you see a run up into the close, then there's a high chance market is optimistic about the Powell speech tomorrow before market, and then maybe we gap up and go run up higher tomorrow. Um, I'm kind of bullish for tomorrow opening and continuation into Friday. So anyhow, pre-market right now, 5 is curved out, 15:30 is down, showing upward. 1 hour, we need to get a 1 hour MACD golden cross. Once that confirms, market can run up. Again, pay attention that the 4 hour is dead cross already, so weakness is there. Be cautious. Yeah. And QQQ, 1 hour is already golden cross. Need to pass 370 mental level. Past that one, we're looking at 370.86 major level. Above that, market can run up to 371.86, 373.48, and 375.1. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward. I love it that the 1 hour is golden cross. That's a good sign. So keep an eye on QQ. It's much stronger than other indexes. That's pretty much it on the major names. IWM, weakness is there. 4 hour dead cross. So this one you can see here, the 4 hour dead cross, and the bars are decreasing very fast, and the curve is just, it's not like it's dead cross, but the dead cross is not like dead cross and kind of staying flat. The dead cross is continuing, the mouth is continuing getting more open. So this one, there is weakness there, and one need to pay attention to 170.92. If it can hold there, it can go retest lower levels again, but need to get above 173 39 for run up again. Yeah, so They need to get above 170. Once it gets above there, then it can go for. You can see another jump up on the small caps. TLT, I went over it for TNX. Gold is weakening there. That gold and oil are weakening. That means market is over this war news. Roku, 4 hours already dead cross. There was weakness yesterday. As soon as it opens, jumped a little bit, then went down 5 points to 80. Pre-market right now, 5 15 30 is upward, but I don't like the 1 hour, 4 hour is that cross, so there's some weakness. Possible bull flag there. Need to get some pullback. This year had two earning that it gave all the post earning back. So if it doesn't pull back today or tomorrow this week, then that means that scenario is not gonna happen. And it's possible to create a bull flag and go higher later again. Yeah, so just keep in mind if it doesn't get a bigger pullback this week, this one can continue going higher next week. Coin, I love it that the weekly MACD is about to golden cross. What else you got here? LLY was very hot yesterday. As soon as it opens, it jumps up, got close to 596. And this morning is all about 596.32. Passes that one, 600 can come easily. 612, if it passes, we're looking at 605.53 and 612.42. Pre-market right now, 5 is up, 1530 is kind of flat, no clear direction, and 1 hour is dead cross. So if you have swing, if you don't see a jump at open, you want to lock profit fast because it can maybe suddenly give a pullback. But if you see today 1530 MACD golden crosses and passes 600, 612 may come. Above that, all-time high is 629.97. So my levels are 623.24, and here are the higher levels. Keep an eye on LLY. This one looking very bullish at 4 hour. We still don't have dark blue bar, and daily we got a yellow bar, and this one has a high chance, if not this week, high chance this week to come all-time high, if not possible next week. Cost was running up high, strong yesterday too, but pre-market there is no volume to say what's gonna happen, so need to pay attention at open. To CLH, they had earning, nice jump up there. So if next key level to watch, there is 204.23. If it passes that one, can run up to the higher level. Uber had earning was not so great, but it bought back up. DDOG, crazy earning, jump up big. And this one, if it pass 100, it can go for next level 101, 109.41. What else you got here? MS, the CEO is changing, stepping down, so that's interesting. 77.17. If it passes, we're looking at 79.22, 81.27. Lulu got an upgrade, and this one is all about 410, 410.51. If it passes, we're looking at 414.62. Above that, can run up to the higher level, 420, 427. MDB and Snow are really interesting. They jump up so huge on the DDOG earning. So 356.69 if past that one, 360.96 and 364, 367.88 are the next target for this week. Snow, same thing. Jumped on DDOG, so 156.57. Passes that one, we can run up to the higher level, 159.74, 164.57, and 169.39. Pan W, 2 points higher too, so it's all about 240. 240.91 passes, we can run up back to 242, 250, 247.57. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in. As always, SPY is jumping right now. As always, if you like, you can sign up with chartwiser.com for levels that I have. And if you want, you can sign up with State Option Service. And have a lovely day. Thank you.